This video is presented to you by AEDmarket.com, and in today's video, we'll guide you through changing the pads and battery in the ZOLL AED Pro. To prepare for an emergency, ensure the electrodes stay connected to the unit at all times. There are two types of adult pads for this unit: the CPR-D pads, providing CPR feedback with a 5-year expiration, and the ZOLL STAT pads with a 2-year expiration. Change the pads at expiration or after AED use. To replace the adult electro pads, start by removing the case. Next, pull the pad cable on the left side of the AED. Then, position the pad connector of your new set in the cable connector. It's that simple. The battery, with a 4-year expiration, displays manufacture and use by dates on the outside. To replace the battery pack, pull the bottom edge of the battery compartment latch outward, slide the panel up, remove the battery, install the new one until you hear a click, and then put the panel back on and fix the latch. After changing the pads and battery, verify that the status indicator has a green check mark. For questions or purchasing options, call us at 1-800-441-8378 or visit us online at www.aedmarket.com.